this video is for geometry. The video is a little bit more than 3 minutes. It's not a problem. So for geometry I will choose one plane here, or for example I can sketch 3D or sketch 2D. For example, I choose front plane, sketch from here, and then for example we see a line, for example circle. I have different ways to create a circle, for example like that, and then I have different parameters here to modify my circle. Then I have, for example, rectangle. I have different ways to, for example, I have like that. I can do, for example, if I click this point and if I click this point and the circle, I have selected entities. I have arc and point. I can choose, for example, a coincident, so the two shapes is near the other. Concentrated is not work, so I can do yes, so it's okay. It's the same, for example, center line. So as you can see, so I can like AutoCAD, so like that, so I can draw it in different ways. And all this operation in the sketch, I have two icons here, I can see it. So all that in sketch I have here I have center point. I have, for example, 3 ways for sketch. Here I have polygon, so here I have parameters. Here we have 6. I can, for example, 8. I can change it. I can do yes in any time. Here I have straight spot, so I can choose the center and then like that. I have different way to create it, so as we can see like that. So here like that. So anytime I finish my work, I can click here, select, I can click here, and my work is done. There is a problem, it's not a problem, there isn't a problem. So I have my shape here, or this shape here, and if I want to do modification, I have to enter, for example, edit sketch, and I am in. Here there is a problem, so I can delete it, for example. I can modify every shape easily. I can, all I want here, I can modify it. So that's it for geometry. It's a different geometry I can create here. To the next video.